In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up DRIP Charles Schwab. Before we click through anything, here's the quick idea. A dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP, automatically takes the cash dividends you receive from a stock or ETF and uses them to buy more shares of that same investment. It's hands-off compounding. Each dividend adds to your position, which can help your portfolio grow over time without you placing new trades. Let's start with turning on DRIP for investments you already own on the Schwab website. After you log in, head to the Accounts menu and open Positions. This page lists all your current holdings. Find the stock or ETF you want to update and look for a column labeled Reinvest. If it shows No, click it and change it to Yes. Then choose Update or Confirm to save your changes. That's all you need to do. Going forward, when that investment pays a dividend, Schwab will automatically reinvest it into additional shares for that same holding. If you want DRIP on multiple holdings, just repeat those steps for each one. Now, if you're buying something new and want DRIP active from the start, you can set it at the time of your order. Go to Trade, then choose Stocks and ETFs. Enter the ticker symbol and fill out your order details, how many shares, your order type, and your time in force. Before you place the order, check the box that says Reinvest Dividends. Submit the order as usual. Once the trade is completed and you own the shares, DRIP will already be turned on for that position, so future dividends for that specific holding will be automatically reinvested. A few important things to keep in mind. There are no fees to use DRIP at Schwab. It works for many stocks and ETFs, and some mutual funds as well. DRIP only applies to investments that actually pay dividends, so if a company doesn't distribute one, there's nothing to reinvest. Also, DRIP is set per investment. It isn't turned on account-wide by default, so you decide which positions participate. You can change your preference at any time the same way you set it, and the change will apply to future dividend payments. After dividends are paid and reinvested, you'll see the activity reflected in your history and positions. If you're ever unsure whether DRIP is active, just return to the Positions page and confirm the reinvest. Setting for that holding. That's it. With DRIP enabled, you're letting your dividends go right back to work automatically, helping you stay consistent and reduce the temptation to time the market.